No Power Troubleshooting. Now, when you approach your Drobo and you see a scenario like this, you might be panicked because you see no lights on. What we want to do is check that there's a power light indicated here, or your capacity lights are shown, or any of the bay lights are actually lit. And in this case, we don't see any of them lit. So what you want to try first is trying your power toggle, because you may have safely shut down the night before, or you may have experienced a power failure. But either way, the Drobo's got you covered with a backup battery. So we're going to try the power toggle in the back of the unit here. We're going to press it down, and we're going to wait for the lights. And as you can see here, the capacity lights or the power light is not showing up. We're going to try one more time to confirm we pressed it firm enough, and we can see that it's still not powering on. So what we want to do is take you to the back of the unit now and show you how we're plugged in. Now once on the back, we're going to push firmly on the back of the plug to make sure it's seated correctly. So after trying a second time, we can see that there's still no power when we push the toggle. So we're going to go down to the power brick. Once on the brick, we can see that there should be a green solid light here, but that is not the case. Our power brick is not showing a solid green light, it's actually off. So what we want to do is figure out why this has no power. So we're going to push in on the plug going into the unit, and what you want to check now is down the string what else is connected to your power brick, whether it's a power strip or a backup battery, and you want to make sure that those aren't the causes. So you can also try plugging directly into the wall, and then once you discover if that's the cause, then you can remove those from the scenarios and replace them. But for now, we want to make sure we get a green power light on the brick. So we're going to go ahead and plug directly into the wall, and there we go. So we see the green light is indicated on the brick here. We pushed in the cables, everything's good with the brick. We know that the problem was not the brick itself, and we'll now have to check the connection from here to the Drobo. Now from the back of the Drobo, we're going to push in on the power cable one more time, and then we're going to push the power toggle, and now you can see that the green light indicates that the unit does have power. We're going to turn it around and see it boot up. Now you can start to see the boot cycle almost midway through here. The blue capacity lights are starting to stack on themselves. So it should be about another 2 minutes till we see the bay lights appear. And there you go. All the lights are green. We've solved our no power issue. For additional resources, visit myproducts.drobo.com.